Friends, our application with my amigurumi written recipes is online. Now I will show you how to download the application from my phone. You will be able to download the application easily by applying it that way. Click Play Store. Since I typed amigurumi in the search engine, it appears here immediately. Then we see the amigurumi patterns application here. We click on it and say Install. I say it is loaded. Open it. Our application is opened. There are languages here. Friends, you click on the settings. You select the language you want from here. Turkish, I select it. You say. There's also something I want to say. When you click the next button, the top sections skip. Next look. When you click on the top button, Episode 5, Episode 6, Episode 7 and on the last page where it says give us 5 stars, you come to the application and I did not comment here in the application. I rated it 5 stars. Because I did that, I can't do it again. I can't give 5 stars. You can comment and give 5 stars here. Friends, comments are made here. Points and a 5-star rating would make me happy. I would also like to thank my friends who commented here. That's it again. Friends, I invite you all to download my application. Goodbye.